Welcome to another Hextum tutorial. Today we will be going over the vendor field of the bulk product edit app. This can be found on the side navigation, right here, or on the main page, right here. This field can be found on your Shopify admin page, product details, right here. This is one of the few fields that Shopify does not allow to be empty and must have some value. For this tutorial, I will be editing a collection I have already created called the School's Clothing Collection. Here we can see that my product, school shirt, has the vendor, new vendor. Some products have Connor Test Dev Store as my vendor, which is the default vendor associated with your store. When you create a new product, it will automatically assign whatever your store is called as the vendor. For this tutorial, I want to change the capitalization of my vendors for the first letter to be capitalized. To do this, I will go into step 3 and select Change Vendor Capitalization. When you bring down the dropdown in the second option, you can see some examples of what each one does. For all uppercase, you can say that all of the letters in all uppercase. All lowercase has them all in all lowercase. First letter of each word gives you an example of the first letter of each word being uppercase, and first letter of the vendor being uppercase. And this is the one we want to select. Now we just need to start the bulk edit now, and wait for the task to finish. Once the task is finished, we can see that my collection School's Clothing had the vendor capitalization changed for the first letter to uppercase. We can also revert the task or view the details. Let's go into the details. In the details, we can see that all of my products and all of the vendor fields had the first letter capitalized. We can see the new vendor only had the new changed. In the product details page, we can see the new capitalized new vendor in the vendor tab. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next tutorial.